Dun 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 dun. Oh man.
Box of adventure.
For kids.
Let's count waves. 1 wave. Wow. 2 waves. 3 waves. Here comes another one. And we have 4 waves. 5 waves. And kids. 6 waves. 7 waves. Here comes 8 waves. Splash. All right, here comes 9 waves. Ooh, this is a bigger one. Look at that. Woo! 9 waves. And 1 more wave. Where is it coming in at? It looks pretty big. There it is. Here it comes. 10 waves. Wow. 10 waves in the windy weather. Thank you for joining us. Count with us again.
Thank you so much for joining us. Don't forget to hit that like button and check out all of our other wonderful videos. And remember, if you haven't already, please subscribe.